We overheard online that a vaccine for COVID-19 is already being developed. But how long will it take for it to be ready? Vaccines typically take between 10 to 15 years before they are developed. Why does it take so long? Preliminary lab research mainly involves identifying antigens that help to prevent or treat a disease. Animal subjects are then tested for their cellular response. Once approved, vaccine trials go through a few phases. A small study with 20 to 80 healthy adults. A more controlled study of hundreds to further evaluate safety and assess efficacy. And finally, a randomized and double-blind study with a larger trial of up to 60,000 people. Once the trial data is reviewed, the vaccine will be made after licensing. Manufacturing time also ranges from several months to up to 3 years, depending on the type of vaccine. While SARS happened at least 17 years ago and there is still no vaccine to date, SARS-CoV-2 shares between 80 and 90% of its genetic material with the virus that caused SARS. This is the reason why governments and industries are trying their best to expedite the process for a COVID-19 vaccine without any shortcuts. For COVID-19 trials, Phase 1 is expected to take 3 months, and Phase 2 might combine with Phase 3 to be completed within 8 months. The regulatory review will also be expedited to take a few months. Following this timeline, a vaccine should be ready if COVID-19 remains or resurfaces next year. But before a vaccine is found, do protect yourself and others by practicing good hygiene habits and observing social distancing rules.